Do you use power tools a lot in the field, at home or in the office? Among them, the frequency of using power tools to make work easier is increasing. I'm wondering if it's possible to do everything with just one battery. We introduce tools that allow you to perform various tasks with a single battery. Introducing lawnmowers that will help you manage your garden more efficiently. This electric lawnmower gets the job done quickly at speeds of up to 12,000 RPM, and features 2 lithium-ion batteries for easy charging and long-lasting use. The height is adjustable so it can be applied to a variety of gardens, and the foldable design for portability allows it to be used anytime, anywhere. Fast delivery is made within 5 days of ordering, and discounts are currently available. The cordless grinder sold by Yofidra is a tool that can be used for a variety of tasks thanks to its brushless motor and various specifications. The disc bore diameter is 14 mm, and the voltage is 18 volts, providing sufficient power. The maximum number of revolutions per minute is 20,000 revolutions per minute, enabling fast work, and the slide switch and restart prevention function make it safe to use. Lightweight and portable, this grinder can be used efficiently for a variety of tasks. The 8-inch brushless chainsaw from Yofidra features a brushless motor and high-capacity battery for efficient woodworking and gardening. With a disc bore diameter of 14 mm and a disc diameter of 125 mm. It can be applied to a variety of tasks, and the slide-tight switch and restart prevention function enable safe use. The rubber handle and baffle design enhance portability and work convenience. Yofidra's cordless blower features 6 speed adjustments and delivers powerful airflow at a no-load speed of 20,000 revolutions per minute. It uses a Makita 18 volts battery and can be used for a long time with a 388VF lithium battery. Cordless operation, high portability, and a variety of configuration options make this a handheld tool convenient to use in a variety of situations. The Yofidra electric high-pressure washer features 200 bar car washing performance and a 3500W brushless motor. 2 gears allow you to respond to a variety of car washing situations, and the 6-in-1 outlet allows for a variety of tasks. Cordless car washing is possible using a 388VF lithium battery, and supports effective car washing with high pressure and fast water flow. It can be used as a multi-functional dishwasher and comes in a variety of patterns to choose from. Please refer to the More section for detailed product information.